How do you choose the best ACCA institute for your ACCA journey? For your ACCA journey, not anyone else, for you who's watching it right now. Because in this video, I'll be sharing 3 key considerations which you guys need to keep into while you're choosing an ACCA institute for your ACCA examinations and completing your ACCA journey. The first thing is who is teaching you and how is he teaching you? The question is the person knowledgeable or not? Now, how do you get to know that the person is knowledgeable? That will happen only when you ask for demo sessions. You need to ask for demo sessions. You need to know that how much experience the trainer is having. If you ask these questions, you will get that answer because you are going to invest your time learning here. That will actually make your future because you are going to put in time in there. So who is teaching you is the first consideration which you need to keep before joining any academy. And also there is no restriction that you need to complete the ACCA qualification at one place only. Go for the best. Try to get the best trainer and do that qualification. Then the second thing is how is he training? Is he just hand holding you for the complete paper? Then that's worst for you. Don't do that also. If you're willing that the trainer is going to tell you about the complete concepts, he's going to solve all the questions for you, then what are you going to do? What are you going to do? Because it is test your understanding, it is testing how much you have understood from it. The thing is, you need to understand the concepts, you also need to understand that how you are going to apply it. This is how you will be learning. Make sure that you do maximum of the work as a student, because if you do that, then you improve, and when you improve, it is actually you will get the best value in the market. Alright, now moving on towards the second point. How is the mock examination structure? How is the testing structure of your learning? Are your learning being tested regularly or not? Are you able to get your doubts clarified or not? These mock examinations are going to be very, very, very effective for your main examination. Now, I do not say that you need to attend 10 mocks, 15 mocks. You don't need to attend that. You need to attend at least 3 mock examinations. If you attend these 3 mock examinations, you get to know how much marks you are getting, and also you must also get a feedback on how your learning is. You must not be just, okay, I got this marks, this is how much I got and I can go for the examination. Don't do that. You need to get a feedback. You need to see which topic are you lagging. If you lag in that topic and then get support in that topic, that's the place where you need to be in more. Now, how are you going to get that? Ask demo sessions, ask doubts then itself, ask previous students over there. That's the way how you would be learning. Now, moving on towards the third point. Now, this third point is very, very, very important. In an ACCA qualification, you don't need to just learn and get more and more knowledgeable. That's not the only thing. The thing is, you also need to be trained on employability skills. The skills, relevant skills, should also be updated and taught by the trainer or by the academy itself, because if they are going to train you on your knowledge, they must also train you on your skills. Now, when they are going to train you on your skills, what happens is you may get a job soon while you are doing your ACCA itself. Now, doing ACCA, CMA US, CIMA, any qualifications like these qualifications are designed in such a way that you need to work and study. That's the reason why you have a 3-year PER for ACCA, professional experience requirement. If you do that and this both at the same time, then you will be progressing forward, because even if you qualify as an ACCA, complete all the examinations, you will be an affiliate. Then 3 years you need to put in to become a member. So if you start doing it at the start itself, you have that employability skills with you, then you can fast forward your career and get into it. There's no requirement that you need to complete the qualification and then get into a job. Not at all required. I started my job at the age of 19. You guys can also start it if you are actually willing to get into ACCA. Alright, I hope all these 3 considerations are very, very useful to you while you are choosing an ACCA academy for your ACCA journey. And I'm very happy to say that we have all these 3 things in place, and we also have the industry connect so that you guys be job ready and get jobs also. Here what happens is If you want to join into our classes, what you need to do is nothing but download our application. The link will be there in below, Android or iOS or even the web application. Download that, register yourself. If you're not finding it, the link below, or you're finding any difficulty, you can reach out to us. The numbers are there in the description below, or even on the screen you can see the number. Contact us. Now once you download the application, you will be accessible to our demo sessions. You can watch our demo sessions. You can see how we are teaching, so that you guys can take a decision. Not you guys, the person who's watching right now. It's your decision about ACCA. If you are aspiring to do ACCA, join into my classes right now. Don't delay at all. So hope you have been benefited with this video. Thank you very much for watching. Share this video with an ACCA student so that he also gets the benefit of this. Or even if a 12th class student or 11th class student aspiring to do something into the commerce industry, and also aspiring to be into an accounting, finance, business development kind of a thing, ACCA would be the best for you. 11th and 12th students specifically. And even if suppose later on you want to join into ACCA, no problem at all, because there is no age limit in it. Alright, thank you for watching. Make sure that you subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. Comment your questions below if there are any. And share it.